In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can convert Excel file to Google Sheet. For this, you need to open your Google Drive account. We have already opened our Google Drive account. Now you can see an option that new. Click there. Here, Google Sheet. We are opening a new Google Sheet. Now there is an option here is File. Click there. Now import. You can import any kinds of file here, share with me, recent or upload. We are going to select our upload file. Click browse. This is our file. We are selecting this. Click here and click open. Now you can see that the file is converting. Here there is an option replace spreadsheet, insert new sheet, create a new spreadsheet. We are going to select create new spreadsheet. Import data. Look, file imported successfully. Click open. Here you can see that our data has been imported as Google Sheets. Here is our data. This is brand, quantity and unit price. Here is already our filter option. You can filter there. This is how you can convert Excel file to Google Sheet. Thanks for watching the video.